How to fix your Black Ops 6 cannot log in. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and check your server status. You want to go to the Activision support site, which is going to be help.activision.com, and check if there are any outages regarding with the servers. If that is not the case, you want to check your internet connection. You want to run a speed test or use a wired connection. You can also try restarting your router or modem. If that is not the case, you want to try restarting your device and the game, or the game and the device. So simply go ahead and close your Black Ops 6 completely and restart your console or PC and try again. If it's still not working, what you want to do is go to account.activision.com and check if your account has any kind of bans. You might also need to simply go ahead and uninstall and reinstall your game itself. If it's still not working and you're using some kind of VPN, simply go ahead and disable it. And if nothing works, simply go ahead and contact their support team. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.